Mm. Okay, yeah, you can share with me. Okay.
First, I'm showing this one. Compare file names from source
Okay, that
and
compare the
series
file
folder.
name from the source and sync folder. If missing file is there, you need to
Yeah, yeah,
again load from the sync source to sync, right?
yeah, yeah. First, I'm
Okay.
showing you this one.
Mm,
In source, I have gone to this source folder. Okay,
mm,
this is my input in source folder. I have gone. You have seen
mm.
that four file is present. First, my
Okay.
detail,
Mm.
EMP, order one, and sales two.
Sales
Okay.
too. Okay.
Now, if I go to outputs, means I've given this one sync
Mm,
output as the container name and sync as the folder. In this, we have
mm.
three file. Okay,
One file
customer
is
detail.
missing.
Yeah, emp.txt is missing.
Is missing.
Emp,
Okay.
yeah.
Mm, mm.
Let me show you again that emp.txt. This one, emp.txt.
Okay.
Okay. Now what I did that first I have used this get meta activity. Okay, to get the all file from the source. Okay, and I have used the field list as
Child
child.
item. Yes.
It will give me all the means it will give me all the file from the source means whatever
Yes.
source I have given
Whatever
like
the
source.
files are available, it
Yeah,
will be get
see in
from
the
the child
input,
item.
yeah, in the input folder source folder
Mm.
this one. Okay, I have given from there. I'm getting means whatever, yeah,
Okay.
whatever file from the source. And
Mm.
again, I have used this get metadata that whatever file present in the means output location to get
Okay.
all
Mm.
the file.
Mm.
Like there also I have used child item also, and in C I have used this
Use
sync
this
output
one,
to
right?
yeah this path in the sync
Okay.
path
Mm.
whatever file it is present.
Mm.
As we know
Yes.
that in this source we have four file and
Mm.
here we have three file.
Three files.
Then
Yes.
yeah, then what I did, I used means filter condition. In the
Mm.
filter condition for item, what I did,
Mm.
like from the source, means whatever present from the source, all the child item, this
Mm.
one. Use all the source file, okay? File name
Okay.
it will give, okay?
Mm.
And in the condition, what I did,
Mm.
like if you see, I have given condition contains. Contains
Mm.
what contains means like if we pass two string, like suppose it will check either it is present or not,
Mm. It
like
is
that
present
way.
or not. Yes. Contains this one, right? Contains this one item and this one. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
Like suppose my name is Imran. For
Mm.
this, suppose I've just given example Imran.
Mm.
This was the first string, and this item is for like RA is present or not. It will check.
Mm.
If it is present RA in Imran, then it will return true. If
Mm.
it is not present, then it will return false.
False. Yes. Okay. Mm.
Then I have means if I run till here, we
Mm.
can means I can see that.
Mm.
Can I run or explain everything?
Mm. Okay. Can you debug, Imran?
Okay.
Okay. Once you debug, I need to know what are the output you are getting here. Okay.
Let's see.
Okay.
From the
First, I
source, I
need
am first time
source.
source. Yeah,
Mm.
source I am
Yes.
showing you. See the one file, this one,
Mm.
second file,
This one. Okay.
third
That means
file,
four
and
files are
fourth.
available here from the source.
In the
Okay.
sync, you see
Mm.
first file,
Mm.
second order, and third.
Second,
We don't
third
have
one.
EMT, only three file.
emb.txt file. Yes.
We
Okay.
don't have that. In
Mm.
the filter, if you see,
Mm.
total count is
Item
four,
for
filter is three.
mm.
Okay, three is filter. But
Okay.
what I need to do, I have forgot.
Mm.
And that not present, I have to copy. No,
Mm. Okay.
here I
Not
have to
present.
use. Yeah, here I have to use.
Not contain
Yeah,
this
not
item.
contain. Yeah,
Mm.
not contain means whatever file not contain from the source that I want to move
That
to.
you want to move from the source to sync.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Now if I debug, you can
Mm.
see.
Only emb.txt file. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Can you give the refresh? Yes.
Yeah. Now source, I can see that 4 file, okay, in the source. In the sink also, I can see that, yeah, it is 3 file. And see, out of 4, 1 file is not present. Total means, yeah, now it's see, this file is not present.
Not
this
present.
file I want to copy to the output location. Now
Yes.
you are getting, yeah.
Yes.
I have missed that not condition. Then after, suppose if we have one file, just giving an example. After filter, we can use copy also for one file, but
Copy
this
also.
is dynamic. Yeah, this is dynamic. We don't know that how many files may be present. Suppose for now it is showing one file. From tomorrow onwards, it may be that in the source you will have 10 files, 25. For that reason, I have used this for each to iterate all the files which are not present. Means,
yes.
Yeah. Okay. In the for each, I have given sequential means one by one it will write. Right?
Whatever we are getting from the filter file, we need to the output dot to value. Okay.
Yeah. One thing I want to show you that in the file you can see that this file is not present and this is the value, means this ID is given as value. Okay. For this, okay. For this purpose, in the for each, I have gone through and used that activity dot output that value.
Dot to value.
What file is
Whatever
not
the
present.
inside this value, we will need to return.
Yeah.
Right?
What? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And now we go. Now we go into for each, and I have used copy activity. Whatever file means, like here I have given the source, and here I have given the sink.
Giving the sink, yes.
Yeah. If I run all, suppose if I am debugging. Now, if I go and check the sink output here in the sink folder, we can see that EMP.
We can see. Okay, excellent job, Imran. So actually, this is a good thing. Yeah.
And the concept was also very easy, but we have to just analyze.
Because logic, if we have logic, all the items are there.
Means for each why I have explained, means did you understand now that if we have to means if we have only one file to load every day, then we can directly use here copy, but we don't know that how many files every day is coming.
Yes, exactly. We don't know how many files will be there. So that time
reason,
for each will be the option, option there.
It will iterate all the files.
Yes, right, Imran. Yes.
This one is completed, and this assignment 5 was this one. Like
assignment file was assignment 5 will be first one, right? Okay.
Yeah, first one. For me, I have written 5 because I have given serial wise.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Iterate over Excel sheet dynamically. Copy them as CVSB and
Azure data.
Azure database.
Yeah, this is also very important, really, because client will give like multiple files.
Yeah.
So we are responsible.
You are able to see it here. Yes. You are able to see this sheet problem in Excel.
Okay.
In this, I have created 2 sheets, as one as sheet 1 and second one as sheet 2. Okay. In sheet 1, I have dynamically given like employee ID, billing, salary, and in sheet 2, we may have different means sheet 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 means we don't know how many sheets are there. For that purpose, I have made this as a dynamic one. Okay. Before starting that, we know that we have a logic of means I have used the logic of that one. Loop logic. That first we have to check that like this way. As one more thing, that the sheet 1 index is 0, sheet 2 index is 1, means index start from 0, 1 like this.
0, 1, yes. Sheet 1 index 0, 1, yeah. That is the way it will be starting. Yes.
Yeah. And one more thing I want to explain here, that suppose first sheet the count will be, suppose I have given as a count as 0, for the next if when it will go to C2, that time I have to increment one value. Increment one, count will increment one. We will have to increment the count. Okay. For that purpose, I have given one as count 0 first, and this one for increment one I have given as 1.
Okay.
I have given used 3 variable I have created here. Counter I have given default value as 0.
0.
And then this one you check temp counter means this will what this will do, it will increment 1 every time.
Increment 1. Okay. Means depends upon the tab
For
number, it will be
increment,
increment 1.
Yeah, actually this one is the constant I've given 0. Okay. On basis of this, it will increment.
Okay.
On basis of temp counter, it will increment. Okay. And this is error is just because till when my until activity run.
Okay.
Okay. And starting I have given false. This is, and I have written one logic that when the if is error become true, then it will come out of the until activity.
Okay. Why are you giving the until? Actually, I want to show the complete pipeline, Imran. First, can you show the complete pipeline?
In the until activity.
Okay. That means why you are using the until there?
Until the activity will run, this activity will run, become true, then till then that this pipeline will run, means the until activity will run.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So until is the first one you mentioned here, right?
Yes.
Okay. Until is the first one. So what is the condition here given?
Here I have just given see 3 variable I have passed, and
3 variables.
in until what I have given, this variable is error, means this variable is error. Why I have given when this variable will become true, means is error is what now. Suppose see now is error is false. Okay. Okay. Now it will go to until activity because my is error variable is false. Okay. It will go inside the until activity. Okay. Now the condition will apply. Here when the is error become true, then it will come out and come out of until activity.
Okay. Yeah. So for example, I have a five pages. Okay. 5 pages. So what will happen here?
Okay. You mean to
Can
say
you
that
debug?
in the
Yeah.
Excel you mean to say that here we have 5. Okay.
I have 5 pages, but I need to check. First, I need to check how many pages are there. So where you mentioned the condition.
Okay, that condition I have it.
Yeah, so that also one condition we need to check, right?
Okay.
Because if it is only one condition, because only one tab, we don't need to do that one.
Actually, what I did, suppose from my condition and in the until activity, when I go inside the until activity, okay, it will check for seat 1, means this index is 0. Okay.
Okay.
This index will in the first loop, the index will be here the C equals to counter equals to 0, and okay, in the index 0, and the temp will what I have given in the temp wait I am showing. See the set temp equals to in the setting I have given like this one.
Okay.
I can explain you before it. Means I have used add function like wait, I remove this one first. What I am showing you. I have used add. Okay.
Add.
And that one counter plus 1. Whatever the value of counter is there, okay, it will plus 1. Why you have plus 1? So that it will go to the this one. This for see from seat 1 it will go to the seat 2.
Okay.
And that we have to pass in string. Because in add condition we have to pass both int. Now this also become int, and this one is also int. Okay. Now for here what we have done with here you are getting confused because
we can write problems in different way, right? So I am checking your what is the logic you implemented here. So that is
Ma'am, I
tricky.
have the
Ah,
simple logic is that means I have understood what on basis of like I
ah,
have used the while condition.
yeah. Actually, can you show the output? I need to show the output also. Uh,
Yeah,
I just
see
want
this
to enter.
string
Yes.
type, this temp counter is string
Temp
type. That
counter will be string.
yeah,
Yes. Mm.
yeah, that's why we have to keep this.
Okay.
Now,
One for the counter.
yeah, yeah. Temp and here it will copy and it will here it is for counter like means
Okay.
whatever the
Count.
temp, yeah,
Uh,
whatever the temp variable, now it will go to this and
mm.
counter will become that value like every time it is increasing, no, that's why. And if the
Okay.
condition fail, then it will
Set
say to
error.
that, yeah, it will become the boot means if error will become true, one means true, here we can
Mm.
write true also, same thing.
Okay. True also we can write.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then
Mm.
if the condition match, when the condition will match, like we have seed one, seed two,
Mm.
0, 1. When the
Mm.
when this temp counter will become 0, 1, when the temp counter will become 2, then
Mm.
it will go to the copy activity and fail because we don't have any seed 2. So it will
Okay.
come to here, this set if error, and it will make the true as
Mm.
condition, and it will come out of the loop and it will run.
Mm. Okay. Can you show the output, Imran?
Yes, ma'am. I have to try this in another method also.
We can see. Wait. Okay. Yeah. It is success, right? Until.
Last condition will fail, and then again it will succeed.
Mm.
I will explain you why it is fail and how to solve that also.
Mm. Okay. One is
Yeah,
fail.
yeah, I will
Yes.
explain now. Everything okay. Now what I am explaining, you can see
Mm.
what happened. For it has gone to the until in the until activity, it is false. It has gone inside the loop. Okay. First, it is checking for seed one. Yeah, seed one is present. Okay. Now it will increment one value to go
Mm.
to the seed two. Okay, temp
T2.
counter. Yeah,
Yes.
it has came to temp means seed two. It has came. It has seen, yeah, value is present. Now
Mm.
again it has gone to seed 3 is not there, means 0, 1, 2. Index 3 is
So.
not there.
Mm.
Okay. Means temp 2 is not present. So that's why at last we can't copy. Means when the
Mm.
temp counter became 2, because we
Mm.
don't have any 2 index. Second index is not there. Okay.
Second index is not
Then
there.
it came to the copy index and it
Mm.
doesn't go to this set
Mm.
counter, it goes to this
Yes.
set error. Okay,
Mm.
is error. Here what we made that bull true means is error will become true and it has came out of the loop. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
okay, and you can
Uh,
see that came out of the loop, set error is true because
okay.
copy inside condition is failed, but
Uh,
this set error here it became and true.
mm.
For this, if you don't want to see this, here we can means drag any other activity like
Mm.
wait or any web hookup like to send an email and all for that. Then
Yes.
it will not
We
show this fail also.
Yes, yes. Because then only is it available or not. That check also we
Yeah,
need to. Yeah.
yeah.
When we
If
don't
we
want it to fail.
want, yeah, if we
Mm.
don't want to see this fail, then here we
Mm.
can either use wait condition or that email alert for webhook we can
Mm. Email alert we
from
can send,
logic.
right? Email alert, or we can use the lookup also we can use,
Yeah,
because
look up also.
you lookup will be better option, because we need to check is it maximum reach. Okay, maximum reach or there, then don't want to again insert into the copy,
Yeah,
right? So we
yeah,
can
yeah.
write
This
those
question
also.
was tricky.
Mm. This question was tricky. Yeah, I know. So that is the reason. Can you show me the output? Output?
Just give me one second.
Yeah, sure.
Because I have so many data set, I have to
Mm.
see problem. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Output is output. Yeah, seat 1, seat 0, seat 1, because
Okay.
I have used this dynamic also. 0, 1 is it is dynamic.
Mm, mm, mm. Not the file name, right?
We don't have to write the file name, just
Okay. Counter dot the
yeah,
CSV. Okay.
seat I have written and use that variable, whatever the variable counter is there, 0, 1, like that way, and dot CSV to
Okay.
get the
Can you write again that express sheet at the variable, right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
What ma'am, actually I have used this counter. No, wait.
Mm.
Use wait.
Sheet at
I'm writing here what logic I have written. Suppose
uh-huh.
my count is first 0. Okay.
Okay.
Count equals to 0. Okay.
Mm.
Let's see what happens. Suppose when I run the loop, okay, until condition, when the condition is false, means I have already declared the condition as false, okay.
Mm. Mm.
It has gone inside the until loop, okay. At that time, my count is 0, means we are
Okay.
in this location, okay,
Mm.
0,
Yes.
seed 1 location.
Mm.
When the loop means when the first condition run, okay,
Mm.
and we need to go to this one also, like seed 2 also we have to go, no, for that
Sheet
person I
also.
have, yeah, I have used that function add. I have explained, shown you that one, add.
Mm.
Add what I did, add count comma 1. You have seen there, no, add
Mm.
count comma 1.
Mm.
Wait, I'm showing you again. Yeah, this one, see,
Count
add I have used, and this one counter variable, that counter variable, and 1 means it
comma
what we
1.
will
Yes.
do.
Mm.
Yeah, for from seat 1 to seat 2 we have to go. That's why I have used add count comma 1, means this one count, previous my count was 0, now it was comma 1. What it will
Yes.
do, 1 plus 0, it will become 1, okay.
1. Yes.
Now again what I did, if you see, come here and see, like then I have done copy activity. After the copy activity, what I did, if the copy we have seed 1, seed 0, then
Mm.
it will again go to the, we have, I have created one set variable. In
Mm.
this set variable, what I did, again counter, means this count equals to
Mm.
whatever the value of temp count, it will become the value of count.
Mm. Okay. That means that one more
Okay.
increment will be there.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Mm. Mm.
Means now what happened? Count equals to, now you see count equals to 1. Now you, for the first time when the loop run, before the seed 1, what my count also become 1, and this temp also become 1. Now this count will come here because it has incremented,
Mm.
okay.
Mm.
Now what it will go to this one, seed 2, okay. In the
Yes.
seed 2 also, it will, what it will say, that yeah, whatever the count value plus 1, count value
Plus
it
1.
has become 1, and now it will become 1 plus 1, it will become 2,
2.
okay.
Yes.
And then again, yeah, we have seed 2, then again the count will become seed, means we have declared that whatever the value of temp count, it will go to the,
Mm.
after the success, if the seed is present, then the count value will become the temp count value, okay,
Yes.
2.
Right. Mm.
When the third time condition, when the third
Mm.
time
Third
the loop
condition.
run,
Mm.
the count is 2, but
Mm.
we don't have index 2, 0,
Index
1,
2.
2,
Mm.
okay. Then
Yes.
what, this condition will not run, okay. Here
Mm.
it will go to this one.
Mm.
Here it will go to this one, set error, and now my this condition with this is error will become true, because I have given boolean as one means true, and
Mm.
it will come out of that until.
Okay. Mm. Yes. And also we need to implement the logic also, because for example, don't want to in the initially it is okay, but we need to initially check how many tabs are there. For example, initially itself we need to check how many tabs are there. For example, condition. Okay. So that time if the condition is less than that one, we don't want to that copy activity or lookup we can use to
Okay, got
extra
you.
fail condition. We can avoid those fail conditions. So that is the only one small minor mistake I can see here. Rest of the thing is very excellent. It is good because your logic is good. That is a small thing we can implement. We can handle there. Then it
Actually,
will be
while
the flow will be flow. Ah,
implementing this means I have get one more idea like whenever any logic or suppose any logic came and I
mm,
have got the logic in loop like whatever programming we have done for loop while loop do it in that suppose any logic came and I think that yeah that logic can be solved by using loop condition, then
loop
I can use
condition.
I
Mm,
have the knowledge that yeah I can use state variable this type of thing and we
mm.
can create the pipeline.
Yeah, that also we can use there. Yes. Yeah. So that is the only minor thing. Yeah, that
Yeah,
we
yeah,
can.
yeah.
Yes.
I have understood that. First, I need to check how many tabs are there.
Ah, yes.
Got it.
Then you can give the iteration or copy. Then we can reduce that failed activity from there.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
But
Mm.
this question was very easy, ma'am. I actually,
Ah, okay. But you solve it, like, means solve it beautifully. It is nice. This way we need the things. Then only your logic and our ability to write this kind of pipeline, right? So it will
mm,
help. I added more questions there. When you complete those things, I will add remaining. I will add
yeah, yeah,
there. Then it will be more helpful to you because how this kind of normal scenario, real life scenario we are facing.
yeah, yeah. One more question. I was
Mm.
yesterday you have shared DataBricks also. This
Ah,
DataBricks to you watch the
yes,
video.
yes, Imran.
I have
Ah,
means watch the video. I have understood everything. I have will ask
ah,
from video also. I have, but my this cluster